HDFC Life Spell Bee India Spells 2012. This is going to be a very exciting contest because we've got 8 students. We've divided them up into 2 groups, 4 in the first, 4 in the second. From these 2 groups, we shall take the top 4, 2 from each, and they will play our final round today. So without much fuss, let's go into spelling. But before we get into spelling, let's meet 4 of the best who've qualified from across the nation. The first is a girl from Pune. Here she is, Joanna. Joanna, that's a lovely name.
Thank you.
Joanna, besides spelling very well and doing well in your studies and your exams, what else do you like to do?
I like music. I play the piano. I sing. It's my passion.
Okay.
And
I also love singing, but only in the bathroom. And I'm a very bad singer. All the best, Pune.
Thank you.
Now, the second of our teams, we've got another girl. She's from Indore and her name is Isha. Isha, welcome to Spell Bee. Isha, tell us something about yourself.
I'm Amisha from Indore and
And you like spelling?
yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Do you think spelling is actually going to help you later in life, or is it actually a waste of time?
No, it's gonna help us a lot in the later life because spelling is a part of vocabulary and vocabulary is a part of English, so that helps us enhance our language, and that is surely going to help us in our life.
You're going to become a politician or what when you grow up? You're giving these long speeches? Very good. You met the girls from Pune, you met the girls from Indore. Now let's meet the first of our boys from Kochi. Very warm welcome, Kochi. Your name?
Derek.
I asked you your name, not my name.
My name is Derek James Matthew.
Your name is Derek?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
You're Derek?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool, yeah. Very good. You know, I hope you... No, your name is Derek.
Yes.
Okay, my name is Derek also.
Yeah.
Your surname is O'Brien, of course, right?
No.
Oh, it's not?
James Matthew.
Okay. Kochi, Derek, all the best. And now the fourth of our students from Bhopal. Now your name is what, Derek?
No,
No,
not.
okay.
I'm Mayuk.
You're Mayuk. Mayuk, you know, you look one of those very studious guys who studies 16 hours a day.
No, don't.
You're in front of the computer.
Yeah,
Are you a geek?
exactly.
Ah, see, I can spot a geek when I see him. Yeah, you're a geek.
Yes.
So what do your friends call you? Geeky.
No,
Then?
there can be varied nicknames.
Okay. Good luck. You've met the students, the 2 girls from Pune and Indore, the boys from Kochi and Bhopal. Let's now go into our first round. In this round, we give students 6 spellings. Boys and girls, 30 seconds to get 6 spellings right. Okay? If you get all 6 right, you get 60 on 60. Now, top 2 teams from here will qualify, and remember, first we look at the scores and then we look at how much time you took from the 30 seconds. All the best, 2 of you will qualify and 2 of you have to leave after this round, so good luck. Pune, Joanna, are you ready?
Yes.
All the best, Joanna. Your time, Joanna, starts now. Phenomenal.
Phenomenan.
Correct. Rhetorical.
Rhetorican.
Correct. Temporary.
Temporary.
Correct. Maintenance.
Maintenance. Maintenance.
Correct. Succeed.
Succeed.
Tyranny. Last word.
Tyranny.
Correct. Super. Pune. Wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. You know, you've done very, very well, and your time is exactly 30 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds. So, very, very good. 60 on 60. Indore, Isha. Isha, your time starts now. Eloquent.
Pardon?
Eloquent.
ELOQUIENT.
Incorrect. Abscess.
ABSCESS.
Correct. Swerve.
SWERVE.
Correct. Descend.
DESCEND.
Correct. Beguile.
BEGUILE.
Idiosyncrasy, your last one, start.
IDIOSYNCRASY. Sbyncrasy.
You know, when I say 30 seconds, in other words, I've got to give you the word before 30 seconds. Your last one was also correct. You've done very well. 50 on 60, Indore. 50 on 60. Okay. Derek, for the first time in my life, I'm asking 6 spellings to Derek. Okay. Kochi, all set, Derek, from Derek. Your time starts now. Diatribe. Diatribe.
DIATRIBE.
Correct. Vociferous.
VOCIFEROUS.
Correct. Pirouette.
PIROUETTE.
TTE.
Yeah.
Correct. Penance.
PENANCE.
Miscellaneous.
MISCELLANEOUS.
Correct. And gauche.
GOSH. GAUCHE.
I said gauche, you said GOSH, and you said GAUCHE. I'll accept it. Well done, Kochi. Very, very good. You've got 6 on 6. Excellento. One Derek is very good at spelling. The other Derek is not so good at spelling. Okay? Mine is easy, but all the right spellings are here. Bhopal. This is very, very interesting. My friend from Bhopal, Mayuk.
Yes.
If you get 50, you're out. So you have to get 6 on 6. Because Derek from Kochi has got 60 and Pune, Joanna has got 60. So Bhopal, Mayuk, the IT geek, all the best. The only geek with a great smile. Very good. Your time starts now. Hygiene.
HYGIENE.
Correct. Message.
MESSAGE.
Correct. Copious.
Sorry.
Copious
COPIOUS.
is correct. Simultaneous.
SIMULTANEOUS.
Correct. Accessory.
ACCESSORY.
And the last one, dissipate.
Sorry.
Dissipate.
DISSIPATE. Dissipate.
You spelled the last one correctly. Well done, Bhopal. Excellent. Stay where you are. We have to say goodbye to Isha from Indore. We've got 3 of the students with the same score. Joanna from Pune with 60. Kochi, Derek 60. Mayuk from Bhopal 60. Now sadly, only 2 of you will play that final round. 1 of you will have to leave. We've got a spelling. If you're sure, hit the buzzer. If you're right, you'll go straight into our final round. If you're wrong, the other 2 participants will qualify automatically. Here we go. I'll first give you the spelling. And then if no one hits the buzzer, I'll give you a clue. So the word is meringue. Oh, Pune went first. Absolutely, Joanna. Tell me the spelling of meringue.
Meringue. MERINGUE.
Meringue. You know what a meringue is? What is it?
It's a dessert with a crunchy shell and a gooey
Oh,
inside.
it's a delicious biscuit with lots of calories. Pune. Fatty, fatty. I'm eating too much. Meringue is it? Well done, Pune. Good, Joanna. Joanna, you have qualified. Absolutely sure you've qualified. But now we still have 1 spot. Kochi versus Bhopal. Derek versus Mayuk. Ready? Careful. Here's the word. And the word is bequeath. Kochi went first.
BEQUEATH.
That is the correct spelling of bequeath. Well done. But Mayuk from Bhopal, thank you so much, and you're still smiling. That's great spirit. Isha from Indore, thanks for playing here on Spellbee. But the 2 who qualify later in the program, you'll see them again. Pune, Joanna, and Kochi, Derek. We'll be back on the other side of these messages.
I like Spellbee because though it is a quiz, it is a lot of fun because I constantly learn new words. Thank you HDFC Life for sponsoring Spellbee and giving me the best experience of my life.